Domino digital printing solutions. Here we have the K600i, printing 782mm wide, B2 cut sheets with variable data printing. This line operates up to 120 meters a minute, normally supplied with a PDF workflow, including pre-flight, error correction, imposition, multi-page PDFs can be processed at maximum line speeds. This line configuration starts with a pallet-fed pile feeder. The sheets then go into an alignment section, and then they go onto this highly precise, seamless belt where we print with the K600i, printing images at 600 dpi using UV curable ink. The ink is then cured using these low energy LED lamps. The variable data is then checked using the vision system before going on to the restacking facility. Finally, the sheets are restacked with the variable data printed, in this case, printing tax stamps.